Namaste, good morning, India. Millions of people all over the world are suffering from stress, suffering from serious chronic diseases. And the question before the man is how to improve our health. Because if we don't improve our health, it will go down, it will deteriorate every day. So we should make an attempt to improve our health card. You have a health card. What is your weight? What is your height? Fats, proteins, your HB, your BP, blood pressure. If you are suffering from any chronic disease, are you taking any pills? All this information is already with all of us. If not, we should try to get it. At least after every 6 months, we should get all our tests so we know where we stand. After you have your health card, our attempt will be to improve this health card by doing simple breathing and yoga exercises. We are not going to be very expert in yoga, and but depend on the age also. If you want to join courses of yoga, good, you can join it. Otherwise, we can give you some simple exercises and breathing. Breathing is very important. Inhale, exhale, which will give you more oxygen to the body and also to the cells of which you are made up of, trillions of cells. So we can do breathing exercises, we can do easy yoga exercises, and you can begin a journey to improve your health card by doing stretching, yoga and breathing exercises. That is what my purpose is. I will try to do some breathing exercises, I will try to do some yoga exercises and begin my journey every day. 10 to 15 minutes of yoga and breathing exercises will improve your health card. It will start improving your health. So at least the deterioration which is taking place due to high stress level, the lifestyle, the work level, that will stop, which is very important, so that prevention is better than cure. We can control our diseases, we can prevent the coming challenges and diseases in our life. So what we will do some easy breathing and yoga exercises. I am standing in an erect position, Tadasana, and I will do some inhaling and exhaling. Inhale deeply from your nose, exhale from your mouth 3 times. Let us sit in Sukhasana. If we cannot sit, we will try and use a pillow. We will take the help of that. Otherwise, we will sit in Sukhasana. The spinal cord should be erect. If we want, we can keep the pillow to improve our body posture. As our journey has begun, slowly and slowly our body postures will improve. This is a very good position and provides a lot of strength, stability, and improves the body posture. We will inhale and exhale from the nostrils 5 to 10 times. Start. Inhale as deeply as possible, and when you will inhale, your stomach will inflate like a balloon. Exhale, empty your stomach completely. Inhale, exhale. Let us do one more round. Inhale, exhale. You can do 10 times, 15 times, or as much as you feel. Now we are taking up another position. We will try to do butterfly pose. It is very good. I can't put all my legs, but I'm not good at butterfly, but I will try my best. Slowly and slowly, I know it is a beginning of my journey. It will improve day by day. Spinal cord should be erect. Sit and start flapping the 2 feet. Keep inhaling, exhaling. Keep inhaling, exhaling. Inhale, exhale, gentle and smooth. Slowly and slowly the breathing pattern improves, and also it improves our health. Or we can do inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Alright, we can now loosen your body, and we will do cat and cow pose. It's very useful and also very effective. We will learn it slowly and slowly. Come in the tabletop position. When you inhale, up like a cow, exhale, down, cat. 5 times. Inhale, exhale. 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 Alright, come in the Vajrasana for few moments. Take few deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Keep inhaling, exhaling. Focus your attention on the breath. Bring all your consciousness on your breath. Come to the child pose. Slowly and slowly come back and stand erect in a Tadasana, feet 3 feet apart. Your right feet to the right side. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Now turn to the other side. Left foot on the right side. Grounded right feet, and you will do inhale. Exhale. Come back. Vrikshasana, tree pose. Tree pose is very good. It is little difficult because this will lead to body alignment, strength, and it also improves your mental faculties. You will experience that breathing exercises, yoga techniques give you more stability, endurance, gives you better fitness, and also it improves their mental stability and mental health, and provides great de-stressing detoxification to the body. Early morning, if you do empty stomach, they help you. You can start and begin your journey slowly and slowly. So what will we take? We will take the support of the wall for the Vrikshasana. Here you can see what I am trying, and then I will lift my left leg and hold it for a few moments. Keep breathe in, breathe out. Come back slowly, experience the vibration, then stretch in your body. Slowly and slowly the body posture will improve and you will experience great stability in the body. And now I will use my left knee, left leg. I will bend and try to hold it. Take your hands up. Keep inhaling, exhaling. Relax. Come back, and you can now lie down in Shavasana for few moments, and it will provide great relaxation to the body. Lie down straight, relax all parts of the body, relax your body completely, relax your neck, relax your head, stomach, legs. Inhale, exhale. Turn towards the left, right hand, and get up, and attitude of gratitude. We are thankful to the God, thankful to the universe, thankful to the environment for the gift of life, for all the things with which we survive and live on planet Earth. Thank you very much. Few minutes of yoga and breathing exercises early morning, empty stomach, will improve our health card. So our health will start improving slowly, slightly. The best part is that we are not going to the negative side of the health. We are not deteriorating. So what will happen? That we will be able to control and manage our diseases. At the same time, it will be a prevention and improve our immunity and de-stress and detoxify our entire system. नमस्ते, मैं फिर मिलता हूँ कुछ और हेल्थ टिप्स के बाद नेक्स्ट टाइम.